Welcome back, racing fans. I am Gary DeLeo, and we are out here on qualifying race number 2 for our Wiener Dog special. Don't forget, guys, if any of you participants want some action shots of your dog, our track photographer is taking it right now. So, all right, guys, we're going to get ready. First of all, I'm going to introduce, in lane 1 is Scarlett. In lane 2 is Bruno. Callie is in lane 4. Romulus 5. Lolita, my pick, in 6. And Maddie, number 7. Listen to me, guys. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! I don't know. We had to all run to the end. No one picked the dog up. We got to have an inquiry here. We're going to go to the photo finish. You got to go over the line. We got Chris Tully checking it out here. Lolita had a big lead, and I don't know what happened. She stopped. The judge's decision is coming up shortly. Lolita, number 6. Congratulations. Lolita, congratulations.
Thank you.
Jenny? How old is Lolita?
Lolita is 8 years old.
8 years old. Lolita was my pick. Lolita, congratulations. You win $100, and we'll see you for the final opportunity for $500 prize.